Ser Hongthom President Monsing Milik and social worker Lipson Bey had welcomed the Karbi Peace Accord signed on September 4. They had praised the 6 Karbi armed groups who had laid their arms and come to the mainstream. They also leveled their praises on KACCM Tuliram Ronghang, under whose leadership the accord became possible. In a press meet held on Wednesday, the two leaders said that the accord will give space to permanent peace in Karbi Anglong and also mark a new chapter for development of Karbi and Karbi Anglong. They had thanked and congratulated the armed groups for their long struggles for the sake of Karbi and then ending the fight with a remarkable and historic accord. The duo had also thanked KAC leaders including CM Tuliram Ronghang and MP Horan Singh Bey, as well as the State Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, for successfully negotiating with the armed groups and convincing them to join the mainstream. Social worker Lipson Bey said that with the implementation of the provisions in the accord, the people of Duar Amla constituency will receive development which they lacked till date. Ser Hongthom President Monsing Milik particularly thanked the accord signing team for mentioning development work for Rongarak Ronghang Rongbong.
Hongthom trok disin got song trok abang potum kajitok damalam pebang alang litum penangan Karbi akhe teman pacing thorjepan nangewan pithe kapot kelas ini di Karbi sarong thomame puhoi pen alang litum tim Karbi Anglong aghai kejapon Tuliram Ronghang apan apangsi mili Karbi sarong thomhoi pen alang ni pan suri akardom pajir alang ni kewang jana sengkana pan kewang jana rani panta alang ni karjong arnam long padonang lapen alang ni paklempon paminang lapen Karbi Anglong kemang akam alang ni papacun pon thekpo bosi nili Karbi sarong thomhoi pen alang ni pan apangsi churu lapen alang ni tum song doan atum panta ni churu bangke Karbi Anglong long ke doan along ria pan kachar lia krong pan college lapen university kewan thekapot alang nitum la tarik piarni titia ciklo lamdon ngajeto lapen anak kimi alang nitum kemang pona posi nili Karbi sarong thomhoi ame kupenta alang nitum pan suri akardom payurse armam long hejimi hang alang nitum anso se paklempon minang posi nili alang tuman churupon
songja tum song thok akorti tumen lamdon cetok akor cetok thekapot nili Karbi Anglong Termas Council CM akahai Tuliram Ronghang ancoro iglo lapen asama Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma alang anda chorolo monsan kewan apot Karbi Anglong litum cinthu awar sai nang klempi lapen laso lamdon cetok pen ilitum West Karbi Anglong lapen Karbi Anglong benang kacing thor awar sai dan doko lapen litum kedam kewang towar punoi smart logo charlie punoi agriculture college veterinary college lapen asona dak dulu litum kai kilong le hormuan non bataisi lamdon cetok pen litum abar sai dak
Vicky Bey from Dongkamukam for Karbi Anglong Live.